Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Magnificent Sunrise. Just like the beautiful moon can shine in the black wintry sky, you too can shine in the midst of the dark alleys and thrive. Those dark alleys were only meant to catapult you to your divine destiny and triumph. Regain your power, make it your own, while knowing it's your imagination that creates a masterpiece and a magnificent sunrise. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And I believe this poem, I believe that you do, whatever you do imagine and truly, truly believe in your heart and want will come to fruition. I believe that with all my heart and soul. And I believe that sometimes it takes something horrific to unleash that in you. I'll use an example of myself. I was never spiritual. Well, I was a little bit, but I wasn't spiritual in the sense that I am now. But I had a very bad accident. And after that, things changed. My eyes opened and I realized that it's not worth holding on to things like petty stuff. And I don't know, it opened a whole new door for me and a whole new life, I feel like. It's just been amazing. Since I've since I've focused on letting go of my ego. I know sometimes you take a step back, but as long as you know that in the time that you're doing it, and then just refocus and keep going. I believe if you follow love, you'll always be happy. I believe that we're not here to fight through things and work for someone doing something you really hate doing. You wake up every morning and go and do that. Maybe you have to for a little while until you discover what you really, really, really want and go for it. That's the thing, you gotta go for it, I believe. I don't believe you have to listen to anybody else's opinion. I believe that your own opinion of yourself means more than anything in this world. And that's what you have to realize. Follow your heart and you'll succeed in everything, I believe. Truly follow your heart. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.